Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Slack notifications not working. In this walkthrough, we'll refresh Slack's notification state and double-check the settings that most commonly silence alerts. Follow along in the Slack desktop app or web app. First, open Slack and make sure you're on your main workspace view where you can see channels and messages. We'll start by using Slack's built-in Do Not Disturb toggle to quickly reset how notifications behave. Look toward the lower left corner of Slack and find your profile area. This is where your name, avatar, and status appear, along with a small menu you can open. Click your profile to open the menu. In this menu, choose the option to pause notifications. This temporarily silences alerts. Wait a moment so the change is applied. Now click again to resume notifications. Think of this like turning a switch off and back on to refresh it. This quick toggle often clears out a stuck quiet period or a lingering pause that keeps alerts from coming through. Next, go back to your profile area in the lower left corner and open the menu again. This time, click Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps your personal settings for alerts, sounds, and what triggers a notification. Inside Preferences, select the Notifications section. This page controls exactly when and how Slack notifies you across devices. Now uncheck and then recheck your desktop and mobile notification options. This forces Slack to resave your choices and reestablishes the connection that triggers alerts. While you're here, make sure the notification level matches what you actually want to receive. For example, if you only want direct messages and mentions, confirm that's selected. If you expect alerts for all new messages, make sure that option is set. Reconfirming these choices helps prevent silent channels or unexpectedly muted conversations. After you've toggled your desktop and mobile settings, give Slack a moment to apply the changes. You should start seeing alerts again for the types of activity you selected. If you still don't hear a sound, glance at the sound selection within the same notifications area and ensure a tone is chosen and your device volume is up, then keep the app open so it can deliver notifications promptly. That's it. We opened Slack, used the pause and resume toggle to refresh notification status, and then reviewed the notifications section and preferences, unchecking and rechecking the desktop and mobile options to save everything cleanly. These quick resets resolve most cases where Slack stops alerting unexpectedly. Thanks for following along, and we hope your notifications are back on track.